Why egg yolk is harmful and egg white is beneficial. Egg yolk and egg white both have different nutrient profiles, and neither is inherently harmful or beneficial. Egg yolks are a rich source of nutrients, including cholesterol, fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, and essential fatty acids. However, the cholesterol in egg yolks can contribute to an increase in blood cholesterol levels for some people, especially for those who have a family history of heart disease or are already at risk. Egg whites, on the other hand, are mostly protein and contain little fat or cholesterol. They are a good source of essential amino acids, but they lack the vitamins and minerals found in the yolk. It's important to remember that eggs are a nutritious food and can be part of a healthy diet in moderation. If you're concerned about cholesterol, it may be helpful to limit your intake of egg yolks and focus on incorporating egg whites into your diet. However, it's always best to talk to a doctor or registered dietitian for personalized advice.